Hello friends, welcome back to Alpha's Tech. And today in this video, I'm showing that how to delete location history in your Facebook. And by using this method, you can view all your Facebook location where you have been gone. And by using this method, you can also delete your Facebook location history by using this method. And now let's see how it works. And if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to a video. And at first you need to open your Facebook application in your device. And after in the Facebook here you can see three horizontal lines in the top of this application, and you want to just select these three lines from here. And after that you want to just scroll down and just find your settings and just select the settings option from here, and once again you need to select the settings option from here. And after that you want to once again scroll down, and after that here you can see a option location, and you want to just select this location option from here. And after that here you can see location history has been turned on and location service has been also turned on. So at first now let's check how to turn off your location service. And select the location service option from here, and after that just turn off this option, and after that once again go back, and now our location history has been turned off. And after that once again we need to turn off our location history and just select this option from here, and after that here you can see our location history has been turned off. And after that now let's check how to delete your location history in your Facebook. And here you can see a option view your location history, and you want to just select this view location history. And after that here you can see today 5th September, and here you can see you don't have any location history data for this day because I have turned off my location for our Facebook. And if you want to see yesterday's location, you can just click this arrow button from here. And after that here you can see yesterday, and once again you click this arrow button, you can go to previous day by clicking here. And after selecting this, now let's check how to delete all the location histories. And at first you can see three dots in the top of this Facebook application, and you want to just select these three dots. And after that here you can see delete this day, delete all the location history. And if you want to delete today's location history, you can select this delete this day, and after that just select OK, and the Sunday's location history has been deleted. And now let's check how to delete all this of all the location service, and just select these three dots and just select this delete all location history, and after that just select OK. And after that all the location history has been cleared permanently. And I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.